Okay, this is Edie Lewis. I'm going to show you some things that I bought. This thing here I bought through Harbor Freight. I'm hoping to utilize it to put some of my things, you know, like your little vintage pads or stickers or stuff like that. Try to organize some in there. I probably need more than one. This one down here, a friend gave to me. Unfortunately, she died. She had complications from COVID back when. Okay, but anyway, it's a Harbor Freight tool. And then I ordered this one online. It's smaller. Let me see if I can open up one side. Come on. I'm trying to do this one-handed and remember how it opens. I think it's that way. Yes. Open that side too. Okay. Then what does it do? Somehow or the other it opens. Except when I want it to. It does open, y'all. How does it open? It comes open some way. Not backwards. Do I have it backwards? I must have it backwards. Do I have it backwards? Oh well, y'all. Know this. It does open. I just can't remember how, and I'm using one hand. Now this thing on that's holding them, I put together myself. It came all the pieces, and you had to put it together. I would suggest seriously. Oops, I got it backwards. All right, let me turn it back around. All right, turn it back around. Oops. Read the directions, and you should have no trouble. It does have directions. I'm keeping the directions. One thing it said to do, and I suggest, count the parts that they've enclosed. And then make sure you have all your parts. These just simply screwed on from there. This didn't help. It doesn't help on that, but you can just screw it on, no problem. But all of this hardware you had to do yourself, include, oops, forgive my dirty floor there. Okay, then these two things I also ordered from Harbor Freight. I ordered through the mail because I didn't have time to go myself, and it would have taken time plus gas. So long story short, I ordered it. There was no problems. I read reviews where some people had something cracked, etc. I had no problems with mine. They came already put together except for the rollers, which just push them in and they click and they're done. Now these are other little organizers. Got that one free at not free. I got it at a thrift store. This, of course, is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree type. I think this was Harbor Freight. Okay. Don't remember where I got that. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. All these things to try to organize, but I did order them. Now I just gotta get it. And I did have to put that together. None of it was together. Just follow the directions and do it when you're not stressed or anything like that, when everything is quiet and peaceful for you and that you can think clearly. But it's not hard. I did have to kind of reread a couple of times, but it was me, not them. What's that over there? Oh, that's my little thing else. I can see what it is. Yeah, they all come separate, but you just read, follow the directions, be calm when you do it. Don't have a lot of stress. And like I say, the other two came in 2 different boxes, 2 different times that I ordered. So no problem with either one. All right, y'all take care. Bye.